How you doing? I'm Brian Friel, the Deputy Clerk and Interim Communications Director at Grosse Ile Township. And today I want to try to help out those of you who have the Grosse Ile Connect app and you're not receiving push notifications. So what we've found so far is deleting the app off of your phone, turning off your phone, turning it back on, and then reinstalling the app, and then answering the two questions that come up. Seems to be getting everyone's phones back on to getting notifications. The first question is the location services question. That one you don't have to enable, but the second question, when it asks you if you'd like notifications sent to your phone, that one you do need to enable if you'd like to get notifications. So I'll just quickly go over how this works. I can't restart my phone right now because that'll just take too long, but we'll just go over how you delete an app and then how you put it back on. So you can see here on my phone, here's my home screen, and there's my GI Connect app. And to delete that, all you want to do is hold it down until either with an older phone, a little X will pop up in the corner, or on my phone it asks me if I want to rearrange the apps or if I want to share, and I just want to click rearrange apps, and then that will get me my X in the corner. Okay, and all I want to do is click that X. Then it'll ask me if I want to delete the GI Connect app off of my phone, and I will hit delete. At this point, this is where you would turn your phone off, turn it back on, and then you would go into the App Store and then reinstall the app back on. So I will show you that. So here, the A here, this blue, is my App Store. I will click on that, and then in the search bar, I will look up Grosse Ile Connect. And then you can see here the app shows up. All right, all I want to do is click that little cloud with the arrow to start reinstalling the app. Okay, once it's reinstalled, like I said, then I'm going to get a series of 2 questions. So I'll take a second here. It's almost done. All right, now it's done, and it says open. So I will click open and open up the app. So now it loads up, and it says, see what's nearby. So this is your location services, where you have a decision if you want to enable location services or skip. Now I'm going to enable. You don't have to. And then the main one's your second question here, which is be in the know, which is going to basically ask you if you'd like notifications sent to your phone from this app. All right, and this is the one you do want to hit enable. Then it will ask you, GI Connect would like to send you notifications, and you want to hit allow. All right, and then it just says get started, and you can hit start. All right, and that's it. You will receive notifications at this point in time. Now, will you always receive them? I can't guarantee that. We've found that every once in a while Apple will put out a new update to your phone, which causes a problem with our app, and then we have to do this process over again where we delete the app off, restart the phone, and put the app back on it. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always call me in the clerk's office, 676-4422, extension 241, or you can email me, bryanf, as in Frank, at grosseile.com. Have a good day.